you in my eyes, I promise you, you're gonna feel the love that's beautiful than you. This time I'll love you even better than I ever did before. When you'll be in my heart forevermore. Just too young to know we fell in love and let it go. So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feeling die. I know how much I need you, know the time is turning back somehow. As soon as our hearts and souls unite, I know for sure we'll get the feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time I will be paid away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over. Apart, all we did was break each other's hearts. This time I'll love you even better than I ever did before. And you'll be in my heart forevermore. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, starting over again. This time we'll let the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. We are starting over. Dinaan na lang sa magandang ending.
Cheers!
Alright. Ay, nakalive po ba si Madam? Si Madam
Naka-video lang po.
Naka-video lang. Ayan. Magandang gabi sa mga manonood ng video na ito.
Yes! Mahina po kasi signal ng
Kaya nga, medyo mahina ang signal.
Kaya
Ito kasi
lang.
naka-preserve kasi itong place natin. Ayan, baka meron na tayong jammer, ha? Meron na po, ready na ba? Ready na ba yung mga jammer natin?
Umiinom pa rin. Umiinom pa rin.
Umiinom pa?
Umiinom pa rin.
Lasingin na natin yan.
Lalagyan mo na natin.
Madam, may request kayo?
Yes.
Yes. Nasaan po yung birthday celebrant natin? Ayan. Ay, heaven knows. Ay, maraming salamat po sa inyong compliment, Madam. Akala ko naman nakasulat. O nga naman wala tayong Heaven knows. Habang buhay. Sa susunod na habang buhay tsaka heaven knows. Alam mo, kantahin. Ayun. Meron po tayo. Ayan. By the way guys, gusto ko naman po ipakilala sa inyo isa sa pinakabalikan. Wow! Nagitarista ng ating henerasyon.
Ganda, ganda. Pwede pa yun na isang kutsara. Apo, thank you. Ayun, meron pa? Papa, nangingin ako. Wala ako. Mali, kakain ako. Ako naman ulit dyan. Wala ako pa.
Hindi. Gusto mo kaya?
Ay, kahit ka naman tayo po.
There were times when I'm lying in my bed, on my pillow and cry in this stupid game, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day. All shut down, swelling as I keep on seeing my face in this cold as of mine. Heaven knows how undeterred I am. This angel has blown away from me, leaving me drunken misery. I should have lived her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has blown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. I should have lived her wings. Will she ever find a way back home to me? So tired, feel like catching quarter wings, being up all night, this elbow room that puts me in a drench, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this films I made till I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how bitter I am. 'Cause this angel has blown away from me, leaving me drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has blown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free, but I did because I love her so. Will she ever find a way back home to me? Salamat sa ating request. Dito ka na, uy.
Madam, yung sa habang buhay, ano yan? Sa habang buhay? Sa susunod na habang buhay, hindi pa daw po alam. Baka may kapalit po kayo doon.
Sa rewind.
Hindi ko po alam yun eh.